Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another national. In this video, it's all about, as you can see in the background, I am on a lovely farm here, my people. Trust me. As you can see, sweet potato is here, corn is here, in the background over here. Yeah, okra is over there. Trust me, my people. This one is gonna be sharp. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. Yes, my people, you don't know. Look what's going on here. It's a nice patch of corn here. Trust me, my viewers. I love to see this, you know. My God, yeah, plant some lately, but trust me, as we can see, as you can see the sky, a little bit cloudy, but trust me, the sun is gonna shine later on. So hope we have a beautiful day today. But trust me, as you can see, I have some beautiful corn here. Very soon, we're gonna have corn to eat. So you don't know, on this lovely farm, and this farm is controlled by Mr. Livingston. You know Mr. Livingston in the previous video, alright? So stick and stay, because I'm gonna be talking to Mr. Livingston in a while. But on this farm, there's a lot of thing here. There's corn, sweet potato, okra, there's a lot. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, soon forward. So as you can see, my people, okra all the way over yonder. Okra, yeah? Okra all the way. Yeah? Just started to bear. Don't it, Mikey? Oh. Okay. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, this man is in control of the farm here, Jamaica, Mikey, otherwise Mr. Livingston. Yeah, so yes, Mr. Livingston, yeah. Jano, it's been a while, but we're there again once more. Yeah. The piece of corn, they look nice. God know, yeah.
Well, not tell them.
Oh my God. So wait.
Talk about it.
So you plant the next line.
Yeah.
For real, man. Oh, you have a next piece of young piece over there. Yes, I can see. Yeah, so yes, my viewers and my subscribers, this man is the original farmer where run the farm all the time.
Yeah, man.
So,
right, too.
Yes, for real. The Jeep line them still work?
Yeah.
Oh, cause the rain give you a lot of water.
Yeah.
For real, man. Cause we get a lot of rain this recently, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Plant these when I put no water on.
Yeah, just the rainfall.
Just the rainfall.
Yes, so like today, you know, what type of work you going to do today?
You know, this morning I come and I pick a concrete bucket full.
Yeah, okra.
Yeah, okra.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. You hear that, my viewers? Yeah.
So 3 times for a week.
A week, okay.
Pick Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
Yes, I. You hear that, my viewers? It's all about the farm. And the tree them going to grow taller.
Yeah.
And bear more, same way.
Bear more, said
Jano, for real, man. Yeah. Yes,
Jamaica. Go and beer till you see them just stop beer, then just dry it up.
Yeah, so that is it.
Yeah.
So how long them beer for? Like a month?
No, a month more than that.
Oh, wow. So if you plant a crop like this, you have a lot of okra to pick. Whole bucket of okra.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll 3-4 months.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But I see over there like it just start to blossom.
Yeah, one young piece over some
Oh.
there, so.
Oh, yeah.
Plant them and never catch, so we go back and reseed.
Go replant them. Okay.
Then when the dust come, start blossom, dust start beer.
Okay.
Them one of the whole tree.
Yeah, me understand. So the front piece of potato we dig out already, that out.
Yeah.
But this one never out yet. No out yet.
No, this one not out yet.
So about the next month before you dig.
You have a bad mileage in the side.
Oh.
So you have boar, some sitting on them called boar.
Oh, yeah.
Boil up the potato there.
Yes, me know that. Yeah.
You two of them original cane land.
Yes.
So you just blow it up and you just plant it whenever you run no chemical of kill out the...
Oh, the worm them.
Even the okra, you can look on them and show them kind of stay.
Yeah.
You spray them already, you know, but guess what? After you start to reap them, you can't spray them because people are eating them.
Yes.
So when you start to reap, you know, so you have to pick 3 times a week.
Yeah.
You can't use no chemical pan.
You understand?
Right now, you have a problem with the bug them. You have the thinking bug them sound like a blue, green bug.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then do all them kind of work, yeah. Them kind of work.
Oh, make them look away.
Yeah, bump them up.
Yes.
Just come like human with a mosquito that bite
With a
you.
bite. Yes.
You know?
Yes. I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can see that.
So you have them kind of bad mind with the bug them.
Yeah, I can see
As I
that.
tell you, when you start reap, you can't spray cause people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People are going to eat them, so no chemical.
So the only time you can spray them, you spray them before they start beer.
Oh, you
So
understand?
you get a nice view of them growing up.
Yeah.
After they start beer, you can't put no chemical on it because
Because you go pick the heat. Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand?
So I just say it.
Yes, man, for real. Alright, Jamaica, let's go through the farm and take one and two little video and thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and you know, make the people them see what's going on here.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. Alright, Jamaica, bless up yourself. Soon come back to you again. Yeah. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay to see what's coming next. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about this little piece of young patch I was showing you from across. Yeah, and trust me, I'm in it right now, and as you can see, there's a lot out. Yeah, and there's a lot that is very big. So you know when it's get carrow, you leave it to seed. Yeah, so that you can plant it back. But trust me, my people, it's all about okra. Yeah, and as you can see, this farm is in charge by a lady. You know, it's a female. You know, so we have to give thanks for the females them who interested in farming. Yeah, so you don't know it's all about doing her work, you know, giving this the energy and the strength for this farm to go on. So Mr. Livingston is the one who is in control of this farm here. You know what I mean? Put in all the work to get everything up and running. Yeah. So yes, my people, as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants over there. Grow very tall. I don't know why, because could be beside the grass, and the grass keep the water moist underneath, so they grow taller. I need to climb this tree to get some jelly. Whoa, that one over there have jelly. So yes, my viewers, I'm gonna stay from this end to show you from across. Yeah, that's over there I'm coming from. Yeah, I'm going to go down to that piece of corn there to show you guys what is going on with that corn over there. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that piece of corn by next month, yeah, we can be started to cook some nice red pea soup and corn. Okay, Antoinette, big up yourself, Antoinette. Whole of love and respect. All right. Yes, you don't know. It's all about one of my subscribers, Antoinette. Wow. Love you, my girl. Love you 1,000,001 time. All right. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Don't know if I'm talking too fast, you can let me know in the comment box. All right. So yes, my people, these are coconut plants. So if you need an next coconut plant, you can have one of these and plant them. But listen up now, my people. This is the best way. The best way to plant them, use the machete to cut off here. Cut it right around. After you cut it right around, you turn it down this way and plant it. This is very heavy. Whoa, this is very heavy. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. It's all about coconut tree. Yeah. So yes, my people, I go back up. I need to go over, go check that piece of corn over there. Yeah. And I'm going to go back to check that other patch of corn up there. So yes, my people, it's all about on the farm we have okra, corn, sweet potato. All right. Stick and stay to the channel. All right, now, my people, this is for the jenks. This is for the man them, you know, the male them. Yeah. Like myself. This plant here, we call it Spanish nigger. I have Cinco Bible on my mind because I just passed it up the top there. Spanish nigger. Look here. The bees is getting some nectar, some pollen. Yeah. Spanish nigger. It is good for men. Yeah. You pick it like this. You just carry it, bring it, put it down into the kitchen. After it quail, you make your tea with it. It is very good for the men. Yeah, give you strength in that, you know, and give you energy so you can stay a little bit longer. All right. So yes, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about the farm, and it's all about farming. Once it is farming, as you can see here, Jamaican farmers hut. Once you say farming, I'm ready, because that's the reason why I plant my own food, you know what I mean? Yeah, at home, my organic plantation. You can go on the channel and check it out. Yeah, the organic plantation, the organic farm. Yeah, I tell you guys all the time, you have to plant something. Yeah, it doesn't matter what, you have to sow a seed. Yeah, so if you buy a piece of pumpkin at the market, take out 2 of the seed and you plant it. You need a little, you know, back up a little place and you plant something, man. If you buy a pine, you cut off the top, you put it in little water to sprout. We have to plant. If we don't plant, we're going to hungry, and if we get hungry, we're going to feel sick. If we feel sick, I'm not gonna tell you what's gonna happen. You're gonna figure out that. Eh? Okay, where you go spray? The potato? Here, sir? What do you mean spray down? Eh? Okay. So, oh no, dig it. Okay, I run through it already. Okay. So you just go spray it and get it out. Oh, I'm planting okra here. Okay, I see you now. Yeah, I see you now. It dig out already. So just go spray it. Then you couldn't just draw out. We done. Alright, or more work. Yeah, when you spray it, it go dry up. Okay. Yeah, so yes, my people, this part of potato they got already. So it's all about he's gonna spray it and leave it to dry up and then replant here with okra. You got some, man. And you know, so the whole of water can cause problem too. Yeah, man, the whole of water cause problem too. We need the rainfall now, but we don't want it too much. Yes. Yeah, man. See if we can get them back up. Yeah, me understand. So I know. I'm taking a little piece of corn and see what it's Yes, man, you land. Take the corn. Oh God, the whole of you should have in corn. My God, you'll make a money out of the corn, I tell you. I know me people. Yeah, man, plant out it with corn. Yes, that's how you have to do it, you know. Just plant some things and see which one come. Yes, my viewers, my subscribers. I'm now here at the newly planted patch of corn. And as you can see, yeah, beautiful, don't it? Yes, my people, beautiful patch of corn. Yes, soon start to blossom, you know what I mean? So once it start to blossom, you know, corn is gonna be all over. So yeah, man, Altia Taylor Lifestyle. Big up yourself, Altia. Yeah, the butt files. Big up. Yard food. Yeah, man, no big up on yourself. Yeah? Antoinette. Can't stop. Big up you, know, Antoinette. Alright, Antoinette, big up yourself. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know it's all about okra. So all these ones you see broke and bend down, you don't know it's all about leaf to dry for seeding, so you can get seedling to plant. You don't know me people, it's all about farm. So you don't know me people, it's all about, my name is Everton and I'm gonna be out for now. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. So I'm gonna be out. Okay? Peace. I'm out.